I have a riddle for you. It looks simple, but it's not. Let's see if you can crack this riddle in just 10 seconds. This question will twist your brain. Are you ready? So friends, let's go play quiz and subscribe this channel.
I'm worn hundreds of times a day, but I'm not clothing. What am I? Right answer is smile. I hide in the daylight and appear only at night. What am I? This is the right answer. Stars. I have a wooden body and iron teeth, and every tooth is the same size. What am I? That's the correct answer. A zipper. The more you stretch me, the longer I get. But if I break, I'm useless. What am I? You got it right. A rubber band. Have no hands or feet, yet I run everywhere. What am I? Absolutely correct. A network. I never shiver in the cold, and I don't melt in the heat. What am I? Perfect answer. Ice. I'm the enemy of water and a friend of fire. What am I? Yes, that's right. Oil. I rest on every tongue, but you can't see me. What am I? Correct. Taste. I grow strong by day and disappear at night. What am I? Bingo, the sun. The more you take from me, the lighter I become. What am I? Spot on. A balloon. I have an ear, but never hear. What am I? Well done. That's the answer. A cup or bowl. Don't walk, yet I can take you on journeys. What am I? You nailed it. A book. Born of fire, hidden in earth. What am I? "100% correct. A brick. I have no body, but I can cast a shadow. What am I? That's the truth. A thought. I can fly without wings. What am I? Right on target, a dream. I'm awake in darkness, and I sleep in the light. What am I? That's right, bat. I'm always behind you and never ahead. What am I? That's the one. A shadow. I have a head, but no tail. What am I? You guessed it. An onion. I'm thin yet can break mountains. What am I? Right choice. Water. I'm born in a hole and I ride on a wire. What am I? True answer. Electricity. I make sound but have no tongue. What am I? This is the right answer. A bell. Have no wheels or feet, yet I always run. What am I? That's the correct answer. Time. We're a coat of water, but never get wet. What am I? You got it right. A cloud. I'm born on the earth, but I reach for the sky. What am I? Absolutely correct. A tree. I speak every language, yet I have no mouth. What am I? Perfect answer. A radio.
Thanks for watching.